Hello friends, welcome to Comparaphone. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and this is Realme Narzo 50A. In this video we will see the specification differences between Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and Realme Narzo 50A. Before continuing, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you friends. Starting from the display, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 uses a Super AMOLED display with a size of 6.43 inch. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and has IP53 certification, so it is splash and dust resistant. Realme Narzo 50A uses an IPS LCD display with a size of 6.5 inches and the screen resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels. The display refresh rate is 60 Hz. The screen has not been protected with a screen protector and does not have a splash and dust resistant. Continue to the operating system. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 uses Android 11 operating system with MIUI 13. Realme Narzo 50A uses the Android 11 operating system with Realme UI 2.0. Continue to the chipset. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 uses Snapdragon 684G chipset with Adreno 610 GPU. Realme Narzo 50A uses MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with Mali G52 GPU. Now we continue to see the rear camera. There are 4 rear cameras on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Main camera is 50 megapixels wide, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. There are 3 cameras on Realme Narzo 50A. Main camera is 50 megapixels wide, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. For video capture with the rear camera, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 supports video capture with a resolution of 720 and 1080 pixels at 30 fps. Realme Narzo 50A supports video capture with a resolution of 720 and 1080 pixels at 30 fps. Now let's go to the front camera. The selfie camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 has a resolution of 13 megapixels and supports video capture with a resolution of 720 and 1080 pixels at 30 fps. The selfie camera of Realme Narzo 50A has a resolution of 8 megapixels and supports video capture at 720 and 1080 pixels at 30 fps. The NFC feature. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 has the NFC feature. Realme Narzo 50A doesn't have the NFC feature. Finally to the battery. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 has a battery with a capacity of 5000 mAh and a charger with a charging capacity of 33 watts. Realme Narzo 50A has a battery with a capacity of 6000 mAh and a charger with a charging capacity of 18 watts. So the summary is, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 has the advantage on the display that already uses a Super AMOLED screen, larger screen resolution, higher refresh rate. The screen has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protector. It has IP53 certification, so it is splash and dust resistant, uses a faster chipset and save more battery, has an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, has a larger selfie camera resolution, has NFC features, and has a charger with larger charging capacity. While the Narzo 50A has the advantage of having a bigger screen size, and has a battery with a larger capacity. So those are the differences between Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and Realme Narzo 50A. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it's useful. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and see you again on the next video.